बैठल बैठल जगह है हमने से ना बैठल बड़ी बैठल
Fires have been successfully extinguished.
आराम से
No, we're out of water. Let's fill up the fire truck.
खासकर तब जब चुनाव हो
हाँ
Turn the hose to tighten it. Which
हमें लगेगा
not here. Great. Connect the rest of the pipes. Awesome. The pipes are all connected. Water is filled up. Loosen the hose. Tap the person in the water and throw a life buoy. Slide the rope to pull the person out of the water. Rescue mission completed.
पता नहीं कितना